settling down just been settling down to a hot chocolate and a Kitkat just now, and I'm so glad, so happy to be eating a British Kitkat now, because I've tried other Kitkat bars in Holland. I've been trying a German Kitkat and a Dutch Kitkat, so now back to eating a British Kitkat. I'm cruising at 24,000 feet. Okay, just gonna take a look. Cruising over the North Sea right now. It's only sea here, but we haven't approached the English coast. yet. Right, I think we are now just approached the English coast. Now flying over the English coast now. Now we're now descending. To the English coast now. And I suppose that down there is the start of the River Thames. So we're now flying over Essex. Flying over Essex here and over Kent. As we continue our descent down to London Gatwick. I can see Brighton down there. It's Brighton Pier. There's Brighton. Flying over West Sussex here. And we're now descending into approach for landing at London Gatwick now. Nothing much to see except for the beautiful English green fields. And the English countryside as well. The English countryside. Okay, I can see Wembley from there and get a good view of central London from there. Get a nice view of the City of London from there. Quite a nice view. Quite an amazing view there. I don't think that's Heathrow over there, but it must be in that distance as well. So you stand landing. see Heathrow Airport. Hang on. Oh yeah, I think I can see Heathrow or not. It's pretty difficult to find out. I can't see Heathrow. It's pretty difficult to find out because that far distance we are. So let's make the final approach now into London Gatwick. We're pretty turbulent there for the approach. Bit of a bumpy arrival. That must be the railway line all the way to Horsham. Now, oh, here we go. Gear down. Flap 3.
Yeah, a lot of the people who work for us work for us. It's quite small.
Or the line to Reigate, not Reigate, Tunbridge Wells, I guess. Also to Horsham as well. Gear down flat 4, I think we're now on. We're now on this setting. On the final approach into London Gatwick. See some golf courses below me.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people in the office. I don't think it's essential. No, yeah, I think it's right.
That was the autopilot being disconnected already. Those 3 beeping noises indicate that the autopilot has been disconnected. There's a farm down there. Whoa. Bit shaky here. A couple of horses. Okay, we're now at Gatwick. We're now at London Gatwick. Oh, there's an Easyjet aircraft with a new livery. Here we are, London Gatwick. Here we are, London Gatwick. Okay, touchdown in 3, 2, 1. Way up. And I can see a Thomson Dreamliner from my view, plus an Airbus A320. Back on home soil.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa! Very quick taxi off the runway.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Gatwick with the local time just gone 10 minutes past 6. Very shortly, the cabin crew will be releasing their seats to commence safety related duties. However, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the seatbelt signs above you have been switched off. Devices for messaging calls and internet access may now be used, and before leaving us today, please make sure that you take all of your personal belongings, checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seats and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when open up the lockers in case anything falls out. We'd also like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area outside of the terminal building. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, I'd like to sincerely apologise for the late arrival of the service caused by air traffic control restriction, and thank you for your patience and understanding. I'd like to wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Once again, thank you and a very good evening.
Off goes an Easyjet flight. So I can't get any good picture to it. Well, we landed back at London Gatwick Airport in the glorious sunset, a nice clear sunset of the day. I see a Germania Airbus A321 with sharklets on, so you can get a good picture of it. Only just. Get a shot of that Dreamliner again.
One that is such as what it's like the scene well, she's one guy,
There it is.
but it's the biggest.
Kilo, Quebec, Bravo, Quebec, Bravo, Quebec. This is direction on the taxiway. Slowing down, turning sharply to the right. Oh, there's an Easyjet aircraft waiting departure for its evening flight to its destination. See another Thomson aircraft, this time it's a Boeing 737-800, and next to it is a British Airways Airbus A320. And we're here! Now in the bay at the North Terminal at London Gatwick Airport. Right, here we are. Switch off, it's time to switch off.
Cabin crew, that's door scared to open. Ladies and gentlemen.